Hey everyone, today we dive into a crucial message delivered by Nelson Chamisa on a day that holds significant importance not just for Zimbabwe, but for the entire African continent. Yes, I'm talking about Africa Day. On this day, Chamisa didn't just celebrate the past achievements or cultural heritage of Africa. Instead, he issued a powerful call for unity. Unity prospers nations, he began, reminding us of an age-old truth that a kingdom divided against itself is doomed to fall. So why is this message so vital today? As we look around, it's clear that divisions, whether political, ethnic or economic, continue to challenge Africa's progress. Chamisa's words are a beacon urging us to look beyond our differences and come together for the greater good. Imagine just for a moment an Africa where unity is the cornerstone, where collaboration overshadows conflict and where collective goals lead to collective successes. This isn't just idealistic thinking, it's the foundation of a thriving society. Chamisa knows this, and on Africa Day, he wasn't just speaking to Zimbabweans, but to all Africans and to the world. So what can we as individuals take from Chamisa's message? It's simple but profound. In unity there is strength. In unity there is progress. In unity there is a future worth striving for. And isn't that something we all want? A future where prosperity isn't just a dream but a reality, built on the solid ground of mutual respect and cooperation. Let's take this message to heart. Let's strive for unity in our communities, our countries, and yes, our continent. Thanks for tuning in. And let's keep the conversation going about how we can build a united and prosperous Africa.